Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use green screen on CapCut. Make sure to watch until the end to learn all the steps and tips to create stunning videos. So let's get started. First, open the CapCut app. Now you can open an existing project or you can create a new one. But remember, it is important to have a background footage because once you remove the green screen, the background will be transparent. So having something behind is essential. So select a background footage. Once the footage is added, now let's add the green screen on the top of it. To do so, here you can see this option of overlay, tap on it and now click on add overlay and your camera roll will open like this and select the green screen that you want to use, and once that is imported, make sure the clip is selected and positioned correctly. You can adjust this green screen wherever you want. Tap on this green screen that you just added and in the menu you will find this option of remove background. Click on it and here you will see these three different options. Since we have a green screen, so click on chroma key, then select the green color to remove by tapping on the color picker. Now adjust the intensity to remove the green background. As you increase the intensity, you will see the green background disappear. You can also add a shadow and it is going to give it a more realistic look. And once you're satisfied, click on this check mark and you can see now we have successfully removed the green screen. You can see now the cat is there with the background video visible. Make sure that the lengths match and it is important to make sure the timing aligns so your video looks seamless. Once everything is aligned and looks good, it's time to save your project. Choose your desired resolution and then click on the export button which is in the top right corner. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.